After fixing the error, let's check the final output. .py, enter. Enter text and vector database. When I click enter, and here we got the final output. Notice the tokens and token IDs according to our user input, my input, it converts the tokens and token IDs. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Just for the time saving, I have already opened the Visual Studio Code. First, we need to import tick token. This tick token you need to install first because tick token belongs to OpenAI. Then I need to add some variable here. Tokenizer is equals to tick token dot encoding. Encoding for model. That model is GPT-40-mini. It's not 40, it's 40. 40. Then I want to enter the text like ChatGPT dynamically. So here I'm using input, enter text. After that, now the next step is once the user adds some raw text that I need to convert into token IDs. The token IDs is token underscore ID. IDs is equals to tokenizer dot encode. This encode method, I'm adding this text. See this text. So encode means whatever the user enter text, no, it will create a token IDs. Now I need the tokens also. So tokens is equals to between square brackets. Here I am adding some small for condition TID in token IDs. This IDs I am adding here. Now let's print. Let's save this file. Go to file, save. Now run this application. Let's check the final output. Enter and vector database. Enter. Oops, here I got an error. Line number 10. Let's check the token IDs. Here I need to close here, not here. That's it. Save this file. Let's check the final output again. CLS. After fixing the error, let's check the final output. .py, enter. Enter text and vector database. When I click enter, and here we got the final output. Notice the tokens and token IDs according to our user input, my input, it converts the tokens and token IDs. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.